Hello, good afternoon. Myself Somnath Hase. I am from Department of Computer Science, Srimati S.K. Gandhi College, Kada. In today's lectures, we will be going to see logic gates, different types of logic gates, and also De Morgan's theorems. De Morgan is a well-known scientist. He have proved two theorems. The firstly, we will see the logic gates. So what do you mean by logic gates? A logic gate is an electronic circuit. It having one or more input, so that is it accept one or more input and produces only one output. So it is a use in IC. IC stands for integrated circuits. The IC are used in a laptop. IC are also used in electronic devices like tape. It is also used in a TV. The logic gates are the devices used as a basic building blocks of all digital circuit. So this is the primary definitions of logic gates. Logic gates have a input and have a output. The input may be in the forms of 0 and 1, and output is also in the forms of 0 and 1. The 0 represents off state, 1 represents on states. A certain logics is a relationships between input and output. So that is a logics. Logic means thinking. So these certain logics is a relationships between input and as well as output. Classifications of logic gates. The logic gates are primarily classified into three categories. The first one is a basic gates. The second one is universal gate, and the last one is that is derived gates. In a basic gates, NOT gate is a basic gates, as well as AND gate and OR gate are a basic gates. After a basic gate, the next one is universal gate. NAND gate as well as NOR gates are called as a universal gate. Why it is called as a universal gate? Because using a NAND gate as well as NOR gate, we can create NOT gate, AND gate, OR gate, XOR gate as well as EX NOR gate. And that's why NAND gate and NOR gates are called as universal gate. That is, using these only two gates or using NAND gate only, we can create all other gates, or using just only NOR gate, we can create all other gates. Then after a universal gate, the next one is that is a derived gates. That in a derived gate, EX OR gate, EX NOR gate, these are derived gates. EX NOR gate is opposite of EX OR gate. So we will be see details in next few slides. The first one is that is a NOT gate. NOT gate or inverter is a logic gate having one input and one output. So that is a NOT gate only accept one input and only one output. So in this diagram we can see the Boolean expression as well as logical symbol of NOT gate. So in a logical symbol there is input A and output is Y. So there is a bubble, you can see there is a bubble in logical symbol of NOT gate. Boolean expressions of NOT gate is equal to Y is equal to A inverter or A NOT. Lastly, at the bottom of this slide we can see the truth table of NOT gate. When input is 0, the output is 1. When input is 1, output is 0. So that is, when input is off, output is on. When input is on, output is off. So this is the truth table of NOT gate. Then after NOT gate, so we will see the next one is that is AND gate. AND gates states that it have high when all the inputs are high. So whenever all the inputs are high, it have high. Otherwise, the output is low. In a truth table, we can see that when both the inputs are 1, then only the output is 1. Otherwise, in all other combinations, the output is that is 0. So at this side, so we can see the logical symbols of AND gate. There are two inputs A and B. Output is equal to Y is equal to A and B. Boolean expressions of AND gates is y is equal to a and b. The next one is that is OR gate. OR gate. The OR gate states that when both the input are 1, then output is 1. When both the inputs are 0, the output is also 0. When one input is 1, the output is also 1. When both the inputs are 0, the output is 0. So this is the logical symbols of AND gate, that is A and B. A is equal to A plus B, and Boolean expressions is equal to y is equal to a plus b. After OR gate, the next one is that is NAND gate. So this slide represents the NAND gate. So in this gate there are two inputs A and B. NAND gate states that when both the inputs are 1, then only the output is 0. In all other cases, the output is 1. So that is you can see in this truth table, when both the inputs are 1, output is 0. In all the other cases, the output is 1. So this is the logical symbols of AND gate, that is y is equal to a NAND b, and Boolean expression is equal to y is equal to a NAND b. Next one is a NOR gate. NOR gate is also a combination of NOT gate and OR gate. Like NAND gate, it is also combinations of NOT gate as well as OR gate. NOR gate states that when both the inputs are 0, then the output is 1. In all other cases, the output is 0. So that is when both the input A and B are 0, then output is 1. In all other cases, the output is 0. So this is the logical symbols of a NAND gate. Logical symbols of NOR gate. Here both the input A and B, output is equal to y A NOR B. So here we can see the bubble. The Boolean expressions of NOR gate is equal to y is equal to A NOR B. Next, after NOR gate, the second last gate is that is EX OR gate. EX stands for exclusive OR gate. So that is, it is an exclusive OR gate. This gate states that when both the inputs are identical, then the output is 0. When both the inputs are identical, then the output is 0. In all other cases, the output is 1. So in these diagrams or in these slides, we can see the logical symbols of EX OR gate. So that is A, y is equal to A, X OR B. Boolean expressions of EX OR gate is equal to y is equal to. In these diagrams, we can see the Boolean expressions of EX OR gate as well as truth table of EX OR gate. For any gate, friends, there is a logical symbol, there is Boolean expressions, and there is a truth table. After EX OR, here in these slides, we can see the truth of EX OR gate. So in these slides, there is a clearly mentions when input A and B both are 0. In one cases, B is 1. In another cases, A is equal to 1. In last case, both A and B is equal to 1. There you can see in this last column, in the last column, we can see that there is a output 0, 1, 1, 0. So this is nothing but EX OR gate. We can see in both these tables, we can prove here the output in a last column Y, and also in another the outputs are identical, and hence we have proved these Boolean expressions A not B plus A and B not. Here we can see both these columns are identical, and hence EX OR gates is proved. Then after EX OR gate, the next one is that is EX NOR gate. It is opposite to the EX OR gate. It is a combinations of EX OR gate followed by NOT gate. So that is, it consists of NOT gate as well as EX OR gate. So this gate states that when both the inputs are identical, then only the output is 1. In all other cases, the output is 0. In this truth table, we can see that in the last column there is 1 when both A and B are 0, or when both A and B are 1, then only we have 1. In all other cases there is 0. So this is the Boolean expression. In these slides we can see the Boolean expressions of EX NOR gate. Next, so here we can see that when A and B are 0, output is 1. When A is 0, Y is 1, output is also 0. When A is 1, output and B is 0, output is 0. And lastly, when both are 1, the output is also 1. In these slides, we can see the output column and also the last column. Both are identical, and hence here also EX NOR gets proved. So after gates, the most important concepts in these lectures are De Morgan's theorems. So this is the most important. In exams, you may ask questions, write De Morgan's theorems, first theorems as well as second theorems. So in these slides, we see the first theorems, really important one. The De Morgan's first theorem states that the complement of sum is equal to product of complement. The complement of sum is equal to product of complement. So this is the logical symbol. Here both input A and B are input. Y is equal to A and not B. Sorry, A NAND AB, and also Y is equal to A naught plus B naught. So here in these slides we can see that A and B, when both are 0, when both are 1, when one is 0, another is 1, when one is 1, another is 0. So in these slides we can see the column A NAND B, that is 1 1 1 0, and last column, that is A naught plus B naught, so that is 1 1 0. So we can see that LHS and RHS both are equal. That is when 1 1 1 1 1 1 and last one is, that is 0 0. Both these are equals, and hence we have proved the De Morgan's first theorems, that is complement of sum is equal to product of complement. This is the most important theorems. After De Morgan's theorem, the last theorems or the second theorems of De Morgan's states that when the complement of product, listen carefully, the complement of product is equal to additions of complement. The complement of product is equal to additions of the complement. So in these slides we can see input A and B, output is equal to A plus B complement, and also output Y A naught into B. So in these slides here we can see, or in these truth tables we can see the LHS part and also the RHS part. So that is in these slides it is clearly mentions when there is 1, in also A naught into B naught there is 1. In all other cases there is 0. So we can see these both columns are identical to each others, and hence De Morgan's second theorems is also proved. Okay, thank you. For any further informations you may contact to me or mail at me at somnathase@gmail.com. Okay, thank you.